Welcome to System Test 2. I have a new pull station up, and it is my Notifier BG10. And guess what? There's no more wires underneath it. Woo! Yeah, I finally got the wires through the wall, out the hole, powered the 27 volts to it. That's that. And here's my new alarm I got. Well, new to me. Boom. Yes, this is a 2903 9846 horn. And I'm not sure what the model number of the strobe plate is, but it's a strobe plate, so it'll flash, not light up. I do have some tape over this horn. It is very, very loud. So yeah. And in here, we have the ceiling mount Spectral Advanced. I went ahead and put some tape over the strobe plate. Tape over the strobe since it's busted anyway. And I went ahead and kept that strobe here. So, that's that. So, I don't have another pull station up. I just didn't have enough wire. So, once I get some more wire, I'll go ahead and put up a new pull station. Let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. One second. There we go. Sorry about that. Just have to reset the pull station. Yeah. That was System Test 2.